Did Dan Campbell just let it be known that the Detroit Lions are about to trade Aidan Hutchinson to get him replaced? When asked about that possibility during his Monday briefing, Campbell literally hopped up and down. Do you feel there's anything imminent on the trade front in the next 24 hours that Brad, Holmes, is coming to you with? Campbell was asked. His face broke out in a wide smile. Yeah, could be, Campbell said. Yeah, could be. Someone asked him, but seriously though, has he come to you with something? Yeah, could be, Campbell said, jumping twice with his hands on his chest. During their crushing victory over the Cowboys in Week 6, the Lions lost Hutchinson. At the time, he had the most sacks in the NFL with 7.5, and the Lions haven't faced any pressure other than blitzing in 2 games since. That hasn't made a difference yet, as the Lions won a vital divisional fight with the Vikings to vault into the lead position and afterward obliterated the Titans. However, even at 6-1, the Lions will need a rusher if they want to reach the Super Bowl for the first time in their history. That player does not appear to be currently on the roster. Campbell minimized his previous day's remarks during his weekly interview with Jim Costa and John Jansen on 97.1 The Ticket on Tuesday morning. Campbell stated, "I just jumped up and down with the same answer after Dave asked me a question and I answered it. But he wouldn't take it. That literally sums up everything.